Working with the InEight team, they are prepared to help at any given moment, and whenever you reach out, you are always given an instant answer and solution.
The support and also the communication that we be doing with InEight, it is very good service at the beginning. We have so many questions, so many queries, and even with my team members, we always constantly calling the support team, and we get a good response and feedback, and also the guidance from them as quick as we expect, and they solve the problems within a time manner that help us a lot in understanding, and also we ourselves have managed to learn more to use the system and less dependent on them eventually.
The InEight team are professional, helpful and very friendly, always happy to find the solution.